Man, it's a beautiful evening. Let me get the sun out of your face. Welcome to Runaway Homestead. I'm Perry. I'm back at adding some more bentonite to the bank of my pond on the dam side. And I just checked the weather to see what the temperature is going to be tonight. It showed like 90% chance of thunderstorms. So I'm out here broadcasting another 100 pounds of bentonite. We did get some rain. Pond came up. I don't see much in the way of it going down anywhere from the last rain. I've got some, I call them irrigation flags. They're just marker flags. We use them marking irrigation lines and stuff at work. But I got a couple of those that I'm gonna put around the water's edge to monitor what it's doing. But man, beautiful evening. Had a great time at the Homesteaders of America conference. I did a short video where Kim and I were working the apparel booth. And I said that was a crazy morning, and it was. We sold out of all the HOA t-shirts except the kids Friday morning, so they had nothing Friday afternoon or all day Saturday. They had some coffee cups, a few books, but as far as apparel, hats, shirts, gone. But they are letting you order those online, and if you use the code HOA19 through the 31st of this month, they'll give you free shipping since they ran out. Anyhow, I'm gonna get back to spreading this bentonite. I've got some stuff going on in the shop. I'll try to stop back in there real quick and show you what's going on there. A couple of things I'm doing for the upcoming harvest celebration that the Stivers are hosting, and look forward to seeing a lot more of you all there. It was great to see Max Happy Homestead, talk with Ben and Andrea from VW Family Farms, talk with Jeremiah from Roots and Refuge. It's just a great time, and pleasure spending a little bit of time with them as well. So anyhow, I got to get back to work to spreading this stuff. There's a few dark clouds behind us, and I'll take the rain. So I'm gonna get back to work, and I'll be back with you in a little bit. Here I am back in the shop. Even though it's nice out, still worked up a sweat out there spreading that stuff. I was going to show you a couple of things that I'm doing for the Stivers Harvest Celebration, because they're having a chili and soup cook-off. Well, this is a spoon that I'm making for the winner of the chili contest. Just still got some work to do. Here is one of my spurtles. I'm probably going to make several more. It's not much more really than a fancy stick to stir soup or stew. But like I say, I'm gonna probably turn several more. We also have a craft show coming up in November. So I have a lot of stuff to make between now and then. Ornaments, pins, cool corks, which is something that you set a hot pan on. But that's about all I've been up to since getting back from the HOA, and just wanted to take a minute to touch base with you guys. Thanks for coming along. Appreciate you. Have a blessed evening.